Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with finding the settings. We will begin with the customization, and in this left section we have to scroll in order to find the display. Now let's find the eye comfort shield, and of course you can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you actually cannot see that the screen changes. It is because we've got some different settings applied, but that's okay. Let's enter eye comfort shield. And first of all, let's remove the schedule. Let's tap on set schedule, and as you can see, you've got three different options. The custom one, where you can choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the eye comfort shield accordingly. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, and your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. As you can see, it is location based, so it's up to you. Or always on, which is a manual option. And finally, we can see the shield being applied to the screen. You can see that we've got I would say an amber color applied on it. You can change the color temperature just by using the switcher. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. So it's up to you which option is the most comfortable for you. Just set it like you want to. And this is the whole customization of that feature. Of course, you can have much faster access to it. All you have to do is to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to open this section with the icons. And here we have to find the eye comfort shield, and it is not here because I forgot that it is in the second section with the switcher for the screen brightness. So currently it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it, and right now we can really see the difference between the eye comfort shield turned on and off. And of course we can turn it on just by tapping on this icon again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.